Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to track live location in Google Maps. Let's get started. If you wanna share your location with your friend using Google Maps, it's very easy to do it. Let's get started by open the Google Maps application here. So this is your location. So make sure you turn on the location or GPS feature on your phone. So you can tap your profile. Try to scroll down a location sharing, tap location sharing, and stay connected. Share your real-time location with friends and family. They can see where you are and share with you across Google Apps and services. Your location is updated even when the app is not in use by tap this share location. So you can share for 1 hour, 2 hours, and so on, or until you turn this off. So you can share with your friends here, for example, and then tap share. So you have to wait. So if you have a message, this cannot send you location sharing notification. So your friend have to accept this request. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.